Natchez Trace begins with a sense of mystery driven by gentle guitar lines and soft rhythmic undertones. Surkamp's voice feels almost whisper-like here, carrying an emotional weight that lingers. The violin's presence is particularly strong, giving the track quite a wistful folk prog flavour. The chorus lifts beautifully as the band locks into a much more fuller sound. There's mellotron accents, and these add a sense of wandering, like a travelling through fog-coloured backroads. Scorfina's solo is understated, but really full of character. The track evolves, subtly revealing new textures on repeated lessons. It's a perfect mid-album moment, really, of atmosphere and reflection.